Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.